Why suddenly? Why does an actor want to become a director?
Manoji, actually, I think because my whole interest, even as in when I was acting, I used to
Mhm.
always be an observant actor. I used to want to know. So when Bhatt Sahab used to be in the editing room, I used to land up in the editing room. When
Mhm.
they used to do production meetings, I was always getting intrigued that they talk
Mhm.
about change the lens. So I would always wonder. I said, why change lens? What is this whole thing about lens, and why this takes so much time about lighting? I mean, there's so much light in the room. Why does the
Mhm.
DOP needs more light, and why is he doing this? So all that used to be the whole process of being on the set. Because see, I'm not a film child, and I've never studied cinema. So for
Mhm.
me, I've come from theater, and from theater, I've just jumped into this. And then I used to
Mhm.
always get intrigued that why a director is a captain of the ship. So eventually, me, when I perform, it is the director who actually tells me and guides me that this is the way. Because me as an actor will give options to the director. So
Mhm.
it was also another another very crazy moment in my career. I would tell you
Mhm.
that I'll give you specifics about it. That there was a movie called Anjam I was doing with Shahrukh, Madhuri,
Mhm.
and me.
Mhm.
And Shahrukh was playing the character where he is obsessive about my wife. And
Mhm.
there is a sequence between me and Shahrukh and Madhuri. We were in the house, and Madhuri is my wife, and he's come into my house, and he was obviously, taking chances on my wife and hitting on my wife while the husband is there. So at
Mhm.
one point, there was a sequence which the director was kind of, choreographing it, and he had
Mhm.
asked the action guy to choreograph it, which was Tinu Verma, who was the choreographer, action
Mhm.
choreographer that time. So
Mhm.
there was this moment when Shah Rukh is supposed to give me a punch, and then he's supposed to push me, and then I'm supposed to fall. So in the meantime, the director got a phone call, and he kind of left the set, and he said that, okay, you all just choreograph the whole thing. When you're ready, just let me know. I'll come in. We'll shoot it. So we set it up in such a way that that I would Shah Rukh would hit me, and then I would give another blow to Shah, and then Shah will again come back and hit me, and then I'll probably fall back, and that's how we choreographed it. Because eventually, I thought this is the right way, and we all thought it was the right way. We set it up, and then the director comes and he says, okay, you're ready. We said, yeah, we are ready. And the moment is an action, and then Shah Rukh hits me, and then I hit him back, and then he suddenly started screaming in like top of his voice, cut, and he came right in the middle of the frame, and everything's just frozen. What happened?
Mhm.
So he's like, Deepak, why are you hitting him? So I looked at him. I said, listen, I say any lame man would at least make an attempt to hit the man who is actually, trying to attempt and play around with his own wife, with his wife.
Mhm. Mhm.
So he says, no, that's not happening. That's not happening in my film. Who's the director?
Okay.
I almost died. I said, I understand that I'm not a director, but I can tell you what an actor feels, because most of the
Yeah, that's
times
an
I have always
example.
there's a normal reaction to somebody behaving like that. So he says, no, I am the director. I'll tell you what to do. Do what I told you to do. And that really, hit me. He said, I felt, he said, eventually, whatever, no matter what you do as an actor, it'll be always the director who actually makes
Mhm.
the picture. And you
Mhm.
eventually have to give in and succumb to what he says. So
Mhm.
why not I also learn the art and make my
Mhm.
own stories and tell somebody my own story. And then of course it's not that I wanted to tell the actors what to do, but I thought it's a painting that I would say that
Mhm.
I wanted to make a painting, and I wanted to be the painter of it, and not just be a part of the painting that somebody else is creating. So that was something that I always was looking forward to, and it drove me slowly and gradually to kind of jump into it. So that's probably the reason I think I did attempt, and I started working. So my first film, and then after that I've been doing almost 7 films down now as a filmmaker.
Is it an advantage or a disadvantage for an actor to turn a director?
Oh,
Do
it
you
is.
bring something additional extra as an actor to the realm of direction?
that see, Manoj,
Mhm.
there are both. I would say it's an advantage.
Mhm.
At the same time, there are disadvantages also. I would just
Mhm.
basically give you a disadvantage part of it in the first
Mhm.
thing. That advantage is that being an actor, you
Mhm.
exactly know when the other actor is performing. You almost
Mhm.
know 90% of what is going on in his mind. Why is the performance lacking somewhere, and what is the insecurity, and what is the inhibition that the actor is holding back? So I'll give you an
Mhm.
example that I was doing a very passionate moment and a very close moment, the first moment between Randeep Hooda and Kajal Agarwal in Malaysia for Do Lafzon
Mhm.
Ki Kahani, the movie
That's
that
okay.
you've seen.
Mhm.
There was only one part where they actually, kiss each other, which was first time he brings her to the house, and that was
Mhm.
the moment which was the first kiss between both of them. So
Mhm.
when that was happening, just
Mhm.
before that, because the
Mhm.
girl was blind, and there was not
Mhm.
a complete clarity with the Kajal, and I could sense it. So when I could
Mhm.
sense it, I actually just stopped the moment over there, and I just stopped the moment, and I just told Kajal, took her on the side, and I took her on the side, and I actually went into telling her that, Kajal, I think you are a little confused of what to do with your hands because you
Mhm.
don't know. And she just looks at me and she says, "Oh my God, how can you know that shit?"
That was exactly the
So
good point.
so I said, yeah, I know what you mean. So I explained to her. I said, this is what you do. This is how you can manipulate it. This is how you can, and this is the advantage of being an actor turning a director. That when the actor is insecure, then a lot of times the actors are uncomfortable doing and speaking certain lines, speaking some words. So I immediately jump into it and I said, okay, change it. I said, keep this, do this. I think you're getting stuck there. So immediately they look at me and they feel, oh my God, how does he know that, I'm stumbling over there? So I'm kind of, getting a mental block there. So all those advantages, which comes in as the being an actor or director, which is really, really remarkable because I can sense it. And I never push my actors limits because I know that this is how far it is because I can read it and I can sense it. So that's one of the parameters, which is a good thing. A lot of other things which are advantages. But another very big disadvantage is when you already are somebody who is from the commercial market, who is already a known personality, a known star, and you change the gears. So everybody around you thinks that it's very, very easy that now that he's changed the gears, he's worked with this guy, he's worked with that guy, he's friends with this guy, he's friends with this guy. It'll be easier for him to make it. That's exactly the contrary to it. Because
Mhm.
precisely the reason why they don't probably want to work with you is they don't want to take an order from the guy who's worked with them and has been a colleague of them. So that kind of completely reverses the situation. So that is the biggest disadvantage. Unless you are
Mhm.
still very thick and you're part of the clan, part of the
Mhm.
party going circle, you're part of that the clan which is there, then it doesn't matter. But most
Mhm.
of us, we generally not. I mean, I don't generally party, and I don't really, I don't drink and I don't smoke. Unfortunately, for the for the Bollywood
So
and the
it's the
market.
ego that
So
comes in
I'm
between.
not the part get-togethers and stuff like that.